Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have an exciting video. It's kind of like a haul, but it's like a mini haul because I don't have too many products, but I wanted to share it with you guys because I haven't done a haul in a while. I filmed one and then, I guess I have done a haul. But it was like the Sephora VIB sale haul, so that doesn't count. I like filmed a haul and then all the footage got destroyed, so I wanted to do this haul. So the places that I went to were Ulta and Kohls. I know it's only two places, but I do want to share these items with you. So we're just going to get started with Ulta. So the first thing I got from Ulta was these Real Technique sponges. I just got a pack of 4 because it was on sale, and I love Real Technique sponges and I use this one all the time, so I was like, I just need backups, so I bought these. You guys have probably already seen this in my testing out new makeup video, but I bought the Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and Reezy highlight. I still wanted to show it again just because like I did buy it and I didn't feature it in like a haul or anything. This is the highlight. The packaging is stunning, like stunning, and the inside highlight, beautiful. It's so pretty. Like, I love it. I'm actually wearing it today. I don't know if you guys can tell. It might be like a tad too dark for me, like just a smidgen, but I will make it work, and with a tan this summer I will be golden. Get it? Like, I'll actually be golden because it's like a gold highlight. No, okay, Maddie, you're not funny, shut up. So the next two items I got are from the brand Formula 10.0.6, which if you don't know what that is, it's like a skincare brand and it's really cool and all that jazz. Like, I really like their products, and I use one of their like mattifying gel moisturizer. I use it as a primer. But I actually decided to get 2 of their masks because I hadn't tried out like any of their masks and I wanted to see how they worked. So I got the Keep Your Cool Skin Calming Gel Mask, and guys, this has coconut and cucumber in it. These are like my 2 favorite scents and like things to put on my face is coconut and cucumber, and I was like, I have to try this. Plus it's a gel mask and I love anything that has to do with gel because I am oily. So I was like, yes, sign me up. So I was super excited to get this. I actually tried it out last night for the first time, and guys, it was so calming and nice. I felt like when I took it off my skin, the redness had calmed down and like my face felt smoother, and I just felt like I could breathe again. I know that might sound stupid, but like my skin just felt so good, and it was wonderful. I would highly recommend this, even though I've only tried it like one time. Okay, the next product I have is the Get Your Glow On Skin Brightening Peel Mask with papaya and citrus. Now, I haven't tried this yet, but I'm excited to try it out. I have been looking for like a glowing mask that's supposed to like make my skin look more glowy and like brighter and whatever. So I wanted to try this one. The next product I got from Ulta was the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and this is like the giant one. This isn't like the normal size. This comes with 1.7 fluid ounces, and I think the other one is like an ounce or a little less than an ounce. I don't know. So this is almost 2 ounces. Anywho, this is on sale actually at Ulta right now for like $24. It's normally like 40 or 50. I don't remember how much it's normally, but it's on sale for $24 if you go online only. And if you want to pick that up, I would suggest getting it now because you can get the big size. But I used a sample of this the other day, and I thought it felt really nice on my skin, and I saw that it was on sale, so I was like, why not? Because I mean, like the normal size one's like $46 or something, so I was like, we'll save money and it'll be another product I can use in tutorials and stuff, so I picked this up. And then lastly, I'm super excited about this product. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. I am so stoked for this. This looks so pretty. So apparently it's exclusive to Ulta, so you can't find it anywhere other than Ulta, and they only had a small display of it. Anyway, I got mine in the shade Cashmere Love. It looks like the one I would use the most. It just looks like one that I would use more often than the other colors. There were a couple more colors. I think there were like 8. Don't quote me on that, but I think there were like 8 in the range. And I just decided to pick up this one because it looked like one that I would use the most. I'm super excited to try out this formula actually, and I love like the Stila glitters, and this is what reminded me of it. Like, every company is coming out with these now, but I love Wet n Wild like to death. I love their company and they're like my favorite brand ever, and so I was like, hey, I want to give this a try. Plus it's like super inexpensive, so I was like, alright, so that was everything that I got at Ulta. Now we're gonna move on to Kohls. So I only actually got 2 items at Kohls because I had already spent a lot of money, and I was like, you don't need to spend more money. So I limited myself, and the 2 items that I bought were kind of bigger purchases, kind of, I guess. Anywho, you guys don't care. You just want to see what I bought. So none of this was makeup. Let's get into it. So I was actually on the hunt for a purse. I've been looking for a purse for a while that looks like one that I would like and use. I own a crossbody. I own 2 crossbodies and I was tired of them. I wanted to change it up sometimes and have one that has the handles that you can put it on the shoulder and it's like not crossbody, you know. My descriptions are on point. So I went to Kohls and I found one. I had been eyeing one for a while, but it was like $70 and I was like, no, I am not going to spend $70 on a purse because I am just not a person who will do that. I can't plop $70 down on a purse because I'm going to rough it up, beat it up, you know, all the things. So they actually had that purse on sale for like $30 and I was like, okay, I can do $30. Well, then I was looking around and I saw this bag and I decided to pick it up. I think this is so cute. Like, this is like precious. I like love every single thing about it. It has like this rustic gray feel to it. Then it has the zippers here with like tassels and then it's like one big giant pocket. And then this, it does have the handles so you can put it like on your shoulder, like over your arm, you know, and just carry it that way. But here's the kicker, guys. So this purse was $80, right? I got it for, wait for it, $15. I'm not kidding. I got it for $15. I'm such a deal finder. Like, I hate spending money on things unless it's makeup. That's like the only thing I really pay full price for is makeup. And anything other than makeup, I won't pay full price for it. I have to find it on sale and it has to be like a really good deal for me to buy something. So I got this purse. I'm in love with it already. I haven't used it yet, clearly, because it's still stuffed. I literally shopped last night and so I'm excited to use it. And it feels like super nice. It feels like I mean, for an $80 purse, I would hope it would feel super nice. But it feels like that, like leather, that nice fake leather. But it's like a durable leather, you know what I'm talking about? It's like the soft. Anywho, I like it. Okay, so the next item was definitely a splurge for me. I had been looking at a pair of tennis shoes for a while now and I had really been wanting to get them, but I kept telling myself no, that I didn't need them and whatever. I mean, I really don't need them. I have shoes that are fine, but I was like, nah, you need them. So I convinced myself to buy them. But they were, I think they're so cute. These are the Adidas, what are they? Adidas CF QT Racer W. It's a cloud foam, like, so the bottom has like memory foam in it and it's just so comfortable. And like, first of all, they're adorable. I mean, like, look at them. They're like gray and cute and like fresh, like nice little sneakers. I didn't realize how much like Nike shoes were uncomfortable until I put on these, because like there was a pair of Nikes that I was eyeing and I put them on and I was like, wow, I feel like I'm walking on cardboard. And then I put these on and I was like, what? This is like a little cloud for your foot. Like, everywhere you walk, you're on a cloud. And I was like, sold. Anywho, I got these and I'm super excited to wear them. I think they are adorable. I've never owned like a gray pair of shoes and so I'm really excited to wear these. But yeah, guys, that completes this haul. I didn't have much to show you guys, but I did want to show you what I did have. Again, I'm not trying to brag about anything that I do have. I'm very grateful for being able to purchase these things. I love watching hauls on YouTube and I thought, hey, other people might like to watch this too. So I decided to do it for you guys. So again, thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. I hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!